What's up, YouTube? It's me again. And yeah, and guess what? Guess what we're gonna do today? Yep, you guessed it, motherfucker. We're gonna do a unboxing video. But guess where it's all the way from? Yep, all the way from Australia. So, yeah, it has my name and everything on it. Check it out. See? Yep. And it actually came from one of the band members of the band. So, let's get it open, shall we? Oh, that's sick. That's just awesome. Check this out. Boom. Now that is sick. From the metal band Internal Devour. Now this, it's from Transmutation. I think it's from the Transmutation yeah, actually, I think this is from the Transmutation CD. I never actually listened to it yet, but I do have Aborted and Slaughtered. So yeah. So yeah, that's one to show you that just came in the mail, and this is so awesome. Take a look at it again. Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little unboxing video, and hope you enjoyed it. See you guys soon, and goodbye.